Hi there, I'm Christoph.
And I'm Zach.
And we're here to talk to you about our project for SPU27. We were very interested in the subject of modest thickeners, and so we wanted to create a tool that would allow any chef to know exactly how much of a modest thickener to put in order to hit a certain viscosity.
Alright, so this is our website, zachandchristophamakesauce.com. What really inspired us to embark on this project was that modest thickeners allowed a way to thicken sauces that was effective, unintrusive, and had no added calories. We love our sauces, but unfortunately sauces nowadays are filled with calories from either carbohydrates or from fat, and this allowed a way to change all of this. So our starting point for the project was a table that Nathan Myhrvold published in Modernist Cuisine, his book. And in this table he listed some of the more popular modest thickeners, and for each modest thickener he had an upper bound and a lower bound of concentrations. So this was our starting point. We looked at three of the most popular modest thickeners, namely agar, guar, and xanthan gum, and for each one we started at the lower bound of the concentration, and we incremented at 0.05% for agar and xanthan, and 0.1% for guar, and we incremented up until the upper bound as suggested by Nathan. And for each of these incremental concentrations we created a sample with beef broth, and with each of these samples we ran them through a temperature ramping rheometer. So what this gave us was a massive data set of viscosities from 15 degrees to 60 degrees for each sample. And now Zach will talk about what we did with this data set, how we organized it, and how we developed our tool.
Okay, here you can see the data that Christoph alluded to. What we have here is each of the concentrations that we measured are the different colors in the graph, and you can see that we have all the concentrations at different temperatures and different viscosities. So now I'm going to show you how we utilize this data through our little tool here. Now let's say that hypothetically as a chef I wanted to make a sauce that had, and as a chef I'm concerned with how hot I'm serving the sauce and what the texture of the sauce is going to be for my customer. Anyway, so I choose to use xanthan gum. I want the viscosity of the sauce to be similar to maple syrup, which is 0.2 Pascal seconds. I want to serve the sauce at about 40.1 degrees Celsius, and I'm making 1 liter of sauce. So I come here and I can go ahead and click Generate Concentration, and you can see that based on our data, we create this graph for you, which will show you that at the concentration that or at the viscosity that you desire, you need a concentration of 0.71% by volume xanthan gum, which we also translate into mass here. So that's 0.0071 kilograms of xanthan gum because we were using liters.
Thank you for watching this short clip of our tool. We had a wonderful time in SPU27, and we hope you have as much fun as we did in your project.
Thank you for watching.